Hello everyone, I am back and I wanted to share with you the journal that I made using my Cardinal Christmas digital kit that I gave away free on my coffee shop, which there was quite a few people that actually went in and donated towards the kit, which I want to thank everyone for that. That's really appreciated. I did not expect that. And quite a few people actually purchased that. So I hope everyone enjoyed it. So I made a journal out of it, and I wanted to share this with you. This will be a giveaway journal on my Instagram. So if you are on Instagram, go over there and get ready for the giveaway. I'm sorry, I'm so tired, guys. I can't even think of what I'm trying to say. I am been so rushed. I just did the video that's before this. I think it will be before this. That was my new kit. So the hot cocoa bar. And I have been working nonstop for an entire week. And I'm getting ready to leave first thing in the morning at 6 o'clock. I got to get up and go to Gatlinburg for an entire week. And it is already like 2 in the morning. And I've still got some things to do. So I'm just absolutely exhausted. So if I mess up, I'm sorry. I know I messed up on the video. I said that it was sweater weather on the paper. And it's actually snuggle weather. I think it's what it says on the digital. So, I mean, I totally messed that up. But, yeah, I'm tired. So, anyway, here's the journal I made. And it has this seam binding tie with this cute little shaker ornament. So, there's like, it's a shaker. And it's got stuff inside of it. I'd never seen these. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was like a set of them. I'll show you. Just in case you're interested, but there's a whole set of them. And they are adorable. So I put this one on there. And that just ties up. And then the journal is a fabric cover that I sewed. And then there's some lace. And then I put this cardinal piece of fabric as a pocket right here. So you can put whatever you want right there. And I don't know if there's a tag that's stamped. I do believe there is, but that I need to put something there. So we're going to go through here now. Besides my digitals, there is also Artie Mays and Yvonne Preston in here. So I'm not sure. Some of theirs kind of goes together on me, so it's going to be one or the other. But I will tell you what's not mine. So this is part of the freebie kit. At least I'm going to tell you what I think is. I might forget. There's... Let me pull it up because... Oh my goodness. It's terrible. Okay, I remember now. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. Okay, so this is like just a piece of stationery here with a cardinal on it. And again, I used my words. These words here are on my Etsy shop. And I just distressed around them. And this is from my kit here. I do not know now if this is Yvonne's or Artie Mays. I believe this is Yvonne's, but I could be wrong. They have like a similar designing taste, I guess you'd say. So their stuff looks like, you know, it's really neat. And this here is a piece of stationery, and I just folded it up. And then all these words through here, so I don't keep repeating myself, which I might. These are all my words from that collection that's in my Etsy shop. So there's, I don't have any, I used them all. I think I cut them all up. But it's just a page of the word Fetty there. Or just words, I mean. And then this is from my vintage Christmas ephemera collection. This is one of Yvonne's. And I don't, this might be a freebie. I'm not sure. I don't know where that was. This page here, all the papers, the digitals are from the Cardinal's Christmas. So that's what those are. In here, and this is from the kit, from my kit, Jolly Day, a Cardinal's Christmas, and I just added the hole reinforcer there. I did distress around everything. These were a freebie on my coffee shop. And then I added one of my words that says December and distressed it, so that way it could be used wherever in the journal. I didn't want to just put it in there and it be there. This one is one of Yvonne's, and this is a freebie, and there's 3 doors, and I love these doors. And I just put my word, Season's Greetings, up there, because I thought that was really neat. And then this is just a vintage, I don't even know what you call that paper, but that's what that is there that I put that in. And then on this side, we have another freebie tag on my coffee, and then this is part of the Cardinal Christmas. And they're just there so they could be used wherever. I never know what to do with the smaller tags. That's why I really don't use them. Just a vintage looking piece of paper. And then it says Joy to the World on one of my pages from the kit. I put coffee dyed background on this one. This red comes in the collection. This doesn't. It's a snowflake. And then this is a vintage recipe book page. And then this is a very old ledger. And I just folded it up and made the pocket here. This side is not written on, and then this side is. So I put it on the inside. And then this, I think, is from Yvonne. I think. I do believe. If it's not, it's from my vintage ephemera, but I think it's from Yvonne. This one is from the freebie tags. No, this is from the freebie tags. This one is from the Cardinal Christmas. Oh, that's so hard. Now I know what Yvonne goes through when she's doing her videos. And then this is one of my pages from the kit. And then this one, I love this page. I put the word up here. And then I used one of Yvonne's pockets, which I love her pockets. And then I added one of these smaller pockets onto the front and used one of her tags, which I love her tags. She always has the prettiest tags. And then this is one of the from the vintage ephemera in my Etsy shop. And then there's some, it's see-through, it's so thin, but this is vintage graph paper. Some really old, it says Christmas songs, hymns, and carols paper, which is so pretty. And then on this page here, this is a page of, stationery. I took one of the pages, or one of the pieces out of the vintage ephemera collection and put it here. And then I took one of, I think this is Artie Mae's, and then I just tucked it right in there like that. And then used one of the words. Now this word here is from the, I think this is from the, it's not there. Which collection is that from? Now I'm not sure which collection that's from. It's not on there. Where did we put these? This must be on the freebie tags. And then here's a card that I found that it just had a cardinal on it. And then I just added that on there. There's plenty of room for writing. And then I made a pocket when I folded that up. And I added another one of these tags. I'm not sure if this, I think this is Artie Mae's, but it could be Yvonne. This is from my vintage ephemera kit. These are some of the freebie tags. More pages. This is more vintage music paper. And the way this is, so you fold it this way and then it folds out again. So you've got kind of like a flip. And then this here is on this flip here. So you open it up and there's this envelope. And in this envelope, there's a couple tags here. And all these are from the Cardinal Christmas. So you could put whatever you wanted in there. And then it just sits on that, like, whoops, wrong way. Sits on there like that. Of course, anything could be moved. And then in here, there is this pocket that I used from one of the pages. And another one of those words in red, which I can't remember where that came from. There's another one of Yvonne's doors, and I put greetings on that one. I just love her. I love her tags. This is from my vintage ephemera collection on Etsy. There's some vintage writing paper. And then this pocket here is Yvonne's, this little pocket. So I took those freebie tags and I put some of the words from my kit on Etsy, the words kit, and then I added the eyelash trim. And so this one says icicles, cozy, cheer, and snowy. And I just tucked them in there and they can be used wherever. This is the center. So in the center I used 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. Across here, we'll change that tag up. Because that one is got a mark right there of the ink. He's distressed though. So I used that to make the belly band there. Then the other pocket on the other side, this little one, that's Yvonne's there. So, and I love her smaller pockets like that because even though they're smaller, for one, you can use them to hold bigger stuff just like I did there. So you can use them for that, or you can put them like I did on that other one and add it to a bigger, pocket. But I love this page anyway because I love the cardinals, or the cardinal, how that spreads out right there. That's like one of my favorite pages. So this one I think is already made. This goes to that other, like that other one that I showed you. This is out of my vintage ephemera kit. They said that's Yvonne's. I'm almost positive. And then this one is too. Now this one is like this. So you have this corner pocket, and then I added this small one on top of this corner pocket. This corner pocket goes with those other, and this is already May's. And then I added this one here. I think the small one is Yvonne's, but this is already May's. Here's another one of her doors. These are so cute. And then these are from my vintage ephemera packs. Or pack. There's only one. There's the writing paper. Music. Just some vintage paper, or vintage looking paper. Meet Me Under the Mistletoe. And then on this side, you have a small envelope. This is Yvonne's here. You have a card inside. I didn't have enough of ephemera and stuff to do this. This is a big journal, and I just remembered all the stuff that Yvonne had, and I knew it would match. And then I had, I just grabbed some of Artie Mays's as well. It says Sweater Weather. And I think that's where these come from, was Artie Mays. And then this was one of my favorite pieces from my vintage ephemera collection. I love this. And of course, this beautiful cardinals right there. And all kinds of room to write. There's that vintage music paper. And then there's some of that craft paper. Excuse me. And here's another one of Yvonne's pockets. And then this tag, I think, is Yvonne's. I think that one's hers too. And these are from, this is from my freebie tags, and this is from the kit, a Cardinal's Christmas there. And this is this page. And then this one just flips out like that. And you've got the story begins. And then these two freebie tags here. And this is that back of this ledger. So this one here, I'm not sure where this come from. It was in my stash from last year, so I'm not sure. This is from my collection, or my kit, and this is my freebie tag. And then here's two more that I put in here, which is Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So that way, depending on where you're journaling about Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, you could put those wherever you wanted. Then this one here is also in my vintage ephemera pack in the shop. And then again, there's just words like on the bottom here. And over here. And this one, I'm not sure where it came from either, the bells. And that flips open as well. It opens all the way up. And this pocket here, it's like a double pocket. It says, "Baby, it's cold outside." And then we've got her walking out. And she's in this back pocket here. Come on, Lisa. And then two freebie tags here. And then, oh, that baby is cold outside. Oh, it's on there twice. Look at that. I've got it there and there. I didn't even know that. So, oh, there you go. This says Walking in a Winter Wonderland. And you can see that up there because that's a shorter page. And then this is the back of that stationery. And then this is the back side of that smaller piece of stationery. The other side had the picture of the cardinal on it here. And then this one's plain. So this one has the other envelope that we have with the kit. And it has these tags here. These all come, these right here come with the collection, and this was a freebie. Of course, they were all freebie, but this, you know, different collection. Different kit. Sorry about that. Different kit altogether. Okay. So that is the journal. Don't know how many pages it is. It's a very nice, it's a chunky little thing. Let's see what it measures. This is a tall one, so it's probably 10 and a half. So this is 10 and a half inches. It's going to be about 4 and a half. Let's see. Where's my thing? There's 4 and a half at. I can't even see. So it's 4 1/4. It's 4 1/4. So that's the size of it. So it's, you know, just the long journal and long tall journal. But yeah, that's it. So if you are interested and would like to enter, like I said, it will be over on my Instagram. Like I said, my last few giveaways have been here on YouTube. So now it's time to go do an Instagram giveaway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this journal. I'm hoping that the kit made a pretty journal, especially with all of Yvonne's stuff. That really helped. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a very blessed day, and I will see you soon. Bye.